Hi, this is Julia M. Spencer. I'm a real estate advisor, investor, and enthusiast. I'm sending you this little tidbit of advice and information on tax sale foreclosures. Now, usually when you purchase a tax lien foreclosure in the state of Georgia, you will purchase that tax lien for the taxes that are currently due, any back taxes usually, and the taxes that are currently due up until that point when the sale happens. A lot of times the taxing authority will add to that amount also the taxes that are due until the end of the year. So nothing will be due for at least another year. So like say you purchase a tax lien foreclosure for a certain amount in November of a certain year. You probably have paid all the taxes up until November through the end of that year, through December. Now, let's say the taxes are due at the end of the year sometime around October or November, that you're going to get a tax bill in October and November of the next year. Now, let's say you will get a tax bill right about October or so, but the previous people that owned the property redeemed the property sometime in the summer, let's say in May. So you get money from them, you get to 20%, and you write a quitclaim deed and give that property back to them in the summer. Now a tax bill comes out, let's say in October or November. Now because the property was in your name the year that you bought it on December 31st of that year, the following year the bill is going to go out into your name even though the original owners have redeemed it in the summer and it's not yours anymore. So what you want to make sure when somebody redeems the property within the redemption period, that you make sure somehow that the taxes are paid for that year, because the tax bill will go out into your name and you're going to be responsible for it even though you don't own the property. I've learned that the hard way. I want to teach you this because what I basically had to do is I had to find the people that previously owned the property, that the property was then sold to me and they redeemed it, and I had to go find them yet a second time and tell them, look, I know you lost the property at auction to me, you redeemed it, but you forgot to pay your taxes, and please pay the taxes because they're on my name. And don't let that happen to you. When somebody redeems the property, you want to be done with it, you want to move on to the next project. So don't let those tax bills linger. Make sure that you get the person that's redeeming the property to get them to pay the taxes through the end of that year, and then at the end of that year, once it's redeemed and you sign a quitclaim deed, then the tax bill will go out in their name again. It doesn't bother you or have your name in any way changed, have your name in any way tainted or even brought up at a courthouse. So for more tips like this, go to my website, juliamspencer.com. Download your free guide to real estate investing there and sign up for your newsletter. I look forward to hear from you.
For your free guide to real estate investing, visit juliamspencer.com.